If you're over 60 and wondering why your favorite pants suddenly don't look as flattering as they used to, you're not alone. Here's the truth nobody talks about. As our bodies change with age, certain pant styles that once worked beautifully can actually work against us, making us look older, shorter, or less polished than we deserve to feel. But here's the exciting part. For every outdated style that's dragging you down, there's a modern, sophisticated alternative that will make you look taller, more elegant, and absolutely radiant. Today, I'm sharing 9 pant styles you should leave behind after 60, and more importantly, the stunning replacements that will transform your wardrobe and boost your confidence. Stay with me because number 7 might surprise you. 1. Low-rise jeans that shorten the torso. Low-rise jeans create a visual break at your natural waistline, cutting your torso in half and making your legs appear shorter. When the waistband sits below your natural waist, it disrupts the elegant line from your ribcage to your hips, creating an unflattering proportion that can make you appear wider through the middle. The low waistband also tends to create that dreaded muffin top effect, even on slender figures, because it hits at the widest part of your torso rather than the narrowest. Instead, choose high-waisted or mid-rise jeans that sit at or just below your natural waistline. Try styles that hit right at the narrowest part of your torso. This creates a longer, leaner silhouette and gives you that coveted hourglass shape. Swap those low-rise options for high-waisted straight leg or bootcut jeans in a dark wash for an instantly more sophisticated look. The higher waistline not only makes your legs look miles longer, but also provides gentle support for your midsection. 2. Baggy cargo pants that add bulk. Cargo pants with their multiple pockets and loose fit add unnecessary volume to your frame, creating a boxy silhouette that can make you appear larger than you are. The extra fabric and hardware draw attention to your hip area and create visual weight where you don't want it. The multiple pocket flaps and loose construction break up the clean lines of your body, creating visual chaos that can make even petite women look overwhelmed by their clothing. Choose streamlined trousers with clean lines instead. Try tailored chinos, elegant pant pants, or sophisticated straight-leg trousers that follow your natural shape without clinging. Swap cargo pants for sleek ankle pants in neutral colors like navy, charcoal, or camel. They'll give you that polished, put-together look while maintaining comfort and ease of movement. Look for styles with subtle details, like a pressed crease or elegant side seaming, that add interest without overwhelming your silhouette. 3. Shiny satin trousers that highlight every line. Shiny fabrics like satin reflect light, which can emphasize every bump, line, and curve in ways that aren't always flattering. The reflective surface draws attention to areas you might prefer to downplay, and the formal appearance can look out of place in casual settings. Satin also has an unfortunate tendency to cling in all the wrong places, especially when you're sitting or moving, creating wrinkles and pulls that can make you feel self-conscious. Try matte fabrics with subtle texture instead. Choose crepe, pant knits, or high-quality cotton blends that drape beautifully without the shine. These fabrics have enough body to maintain their shape while moving gracefully with your body. Swap satin trousers for matte jersey, wide-leg pants, or textured straight-leg trousers. They'll give you elegance and sophistication without the unflattering reflections. Look for fabrics with a subtle texture, like a gentle herringbone weave, that adds visual interest without shine. 4. Crop capris that cut the leg in half. Capris that end mid-calf create a visual break that cuts your legs in half, making them appear shorter, your overall silhouette choppy. This unflattering length can make even tall women look truncated and can emphasize any thickness in the calf area. The mid-calf length hits at the widest part of most women's legs, creating an unflattering horizontal line that draws attention to areas we'd rather minimize. Choose full-length pants or ankle-length styles instead. Try crop trousers that end right at your ankle bone, or go for classic full-length pants that create an unbroken line from hip to toe. Swap capris for elegant ankle pants or straight-leg trousers that you can wear with both flats and heels for a longer, more graceful silhouette. When choosing ankle pants, make sure they hit right at that narrow ankle bone area, and pair them with shoes in a similar color tone to create an even longer line from hip to toe. 5. Overly distressed denim. Heavily ripped, frayed, or distressed denim can look juvenile and inappropriate for sophisticated style after 60. The torn fabric draws attention to specific areas of your legs and can create an unkempt appearance that detracts from your overall polish. While distressed denim was meant to convey a casual, effortless vibe, It can actually make mature women look like they're trying too hard to appear younger, which has the opposite effect of what we're going for. Choose clean, classic denim styles instead. Try dark wash jeans with subtle fading or gentle whiskering for character without the dramatic distressing. Swap heavily ripped jeans for sophisticated dark denim with minimal detailing. Or consider premium jeans with just a touch of gentle wear at the knees for a casual but refined look. Dark washes are universally flattering and can easily transition from day to evening with the right styling. 6. Overly long pants that drag on the ground. Pants that are too long create a sloppy, unkempt appearance and can actually be a safety hazard. They also visually weigh down your silhouette and make you appear shorter by creating bulk around your feet and ankles. When pants puddle on the ground, they collect dirt and wear out quickly at the hem, making even expensive trousers look cheap and careless. The excess fabric also makes it difficult to show off beautiful shoes, which are often an important finishing touch to a sophisticated outfit. Try the perfect length for your height and shoe choice. Choose pants that hit right at your ankle bone when wearing flats, or that barely graze the floor when wearing heels. Swap overly long pants for properly hemmed trousers. Invest in tailoring to get that crisp, polished look that makes all the difference in your overall appearance. A good tailor can transform even moderately priced pants into pieces that look custom made for you. 7. Overly flared bell bottoms that date the look. Extreme bell bottoms can make your outfit look costume-like and dated, pulling focus from your face and creating an unbalanced silhouette. The dramatic flare can overwhelm petite frames and make taller women look disproportioned. While a gentle flare can be flattering, extreme bell bottoms harken back to a specific era in a way that can make your entire outfit feel like you're wearing a costume rather than expressing your personal style. Choose subtle bootcut or straight leg styles instead. Try pants with just a gentle flare from the knee down, or opt for classic straight legs that create a timeless, elegant line. Swap bell bottoms for sophisticated wide-leg trousers or gentle bootcut jeans that give you movement and flow without the retro drama. A slight bootcut that starts at the knee is incredibly flattering because it balances your hips while creating a long, lean line down your leg. 8. Loud printed pants that overwhelm the frame. Bold, busy patterns on pants can dominate your entire look, making the print the star instead of you. Large or chaotic patterns can also add visual weight and make you appear larger while competing with your face for attention. When you wear pants with loud prints, people notice the pants first and you second, which is the opposite of what we want to achieve with sophisticated dressing. Busy patterns can also make it difficult to put together cohesive, polished outfits. Choose solid colors or subtle patterns instead. Try pants in classic neutrals like navy, black, charcoal, or camel, or opt for very small, refined prints like pinstripes or tiny geometrics. Swap loud printed pants for elegant, solid-colored trousers, and add visual interest with a beautiful printed top or statement accessories that draw attention upward to your face. Solid-colored pants create a clean foundation that allows you to play with prints and textures in your tops and accessories where they'll frame your face beautifully. 9. Stiff, heavy fabrics that don't flow with movement. Heavy, rigid fabrics can make you look stiff and uncomfortable, and they often don't move gracefully with your body. These fabrics can add bulk and create unflattering shapes, especially when sitting or walking. Stiff fabrics also tend to hold their shape too rigidly, creating sharp angles and harsh lines that can be unflattering on the mature figure. They can also wrinkle easily and don't recover well, meaning your pants can look rumpled after just a short time of wearing. Choose flowing, breathable fabrics instead. Try ponte knits, crepe, or high-quality stretch cotton that moves with you while maintaining structure. Swap stiff fabrics for graceful materials like fluid jersey, soft wool blends, or technical fabrics designed for comfort and movement. You'll look effortlessly elegant while feeling comfortable all day long. Look for fabrics that have a beautiful drape but don't cling to your body, creating graceful lines that flow with your movement. Remember, style after 60 is about choosing pieces that enhance your natural beauty and make you feel confident and comfortable. These simple swaps will modernize your wardrobe and help you look as vibrant and sophisticated as you feel inside.